This is a lot of books. Hi, my name is Emily and I'm a mom of 3 toddlers. On this channel, I'll be sharing my journey as a new homeschooling mom, picture book hauls, and also my favorite homeschooling resources as I come across them. And so if that's something you're interested in, definitely subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any new videos that I post. I'm going to be unboxing my first book outlet order. I first heard about the book outlet a few weeks ago and I was so thrilled to find this incredible store which has such new discounted books. I went a little bit crazy and ordered maybe more than I needed. But it is Christmas time and I was looking for gifts for family and friends and their kids. I ordered a bunch of books as gifts, but also books for my own kids for Christmas to add to their collection. I'm just really excited to open them up and share them with you. Oh, this is heavy. Got 2 boxes. Ooh, they make it very easy for you to open. They have like a perforation. Don't even need my X-Acto knife. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see inside my box here. Ooh, we have this little golden book saying, "Let's get a Christmas tree." Oh, look at this. There's some very sweet little folk pictures in here. It's a very tiny book. I'm just excited to have more books that are actually about Christmas to add to our home picture book collection. Ooh. Oh yay. We got I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas by John Rocks. Oh yay. This song is such a fun classic Christmas song. So to have this in book format, the illustrations are a different style than I am used to. I don't normally, I guess, pick up picture books in this kind of style. It's more realistic, but it is nice to have variety. I am about variety. Oh, look at this hippopotamus. Oh, my kids are I think they're gonna love this book. We got Silent Night. So this is Silent Night in a board book and it's illustrated by Sarah Gianassi. It is just the lyrics to the song, but with these cute illustrations of different animals. So this would be great if you want to teach your child the song while also having a book with beautiful pictures to share with them. I think this will be a nice addition to our Christmas book collection. I have The Donkey Song by Jackie Kellum. I'm excited for this book. I bought, I think, 2 copies of this book. So one of the copies will be for our family and one will be a gift for a friend. Apparently this book is the nativity story told from the perspective of the donkey. And it's been a little bit difficult for me to find Christmas picture books that actually based on the biblical account of Jesus' birth. It's really nice to find some stories that are fun for kids but also tell the biblical Christmas story. I am excited to dig into this book and see how it is. I trust that it will be just a cute story. This is a book from American Ballet Theater, The Night Before the Nutcracker. It's by John Robert Allman, and when I saw it on the site, I just couldn't resist getting it. I love being able to introduce some concepts for kids through story. I'm just so excited to read through these books myself and share them with my kids too this holiday season. So if you've seen my video about my library winter book haul, I had a book in there that introduced the orchestra through picture book form. So this will be really fun to have a book introducing the ballet through picture book form. Mistletoe, A Christmas Story by Tad Hills. I just saw this little mouse and I thought he looked super cute. And so we got a mouse and an elephant. Just couldn't resist some of these good deals on these Christmas books. And I just love, especially around the holiday time, around Christmas time, I just love being able to sit down and snuggle up with our kids and just read books. Ooh, this one is called The Stocking Stuffer. And this is such a cute size. This could really fit well in a stocking. Written by Holly Merriweather. I think I will add this to my son's stocking this year. This year is the first year my son is really even asking about Santa. I think for us, how we're approaching Santa is we're telling him about St. Nicholas and who he is, but also not shying away from stories about Santa. This is a book I did get for a few people on our list and I did get one for us as well. So this is called Refuge, and it's by Anne Booth and Sam Usher. It says, a timely retelling of the cherished nativity as a powerful story of refugees. I'm very excited. I think I've heard about this book before. There's some of the illustrations inside. I'm interested to read it and see what it is like. It already feels like Christmas by getting to open all these books. Okay, this one I got as a gift for Christmas Kitten, and it's a touch and feel book by Rosie Adams. Okay, so great for your young children to feel the different textures. Oh, this snowman has a kind of a rough texture. And then we got Santa's beard. Okay, Santa's beard feeling soft. We have Snowy Bear. Ooh, so a book about a polar bear going through the woods, and then he sees a house with a lonely girl inside. Okay, so maybe they are going to become friends. This book is by Tony Mitten, illustrated by Allison Brown. I was super cute. Sometimes I like having these little board books. It's just a nice short read. I like to switch up the books as often as we can. My kids, obviously they love to repeat books, but I find with my son especially, he's always craving something new. So then if I can just switch up the books quickly, it's better for him. If you are getting value out of this video and enjoying these book recommendations, be sure to hit the like button below to give this video a boost and subscribe for more videos like these. We have Peter Rabbit, A Winter's Tale. There's a pop-up in this book. Okay, let me see. Beautiful illustrations as always that you can expect with Peter Rabbit. I think I see Benjamin Bunny in here too. And let's see what the pop-up looks like. Ooh, we got a pop-up Christmas tree in the back. I love that. This is a book about colors. We love Christmas. I believe this is a gift for one of our friends in our family. Learning about colors through this little book about Christmas. The color of the gingerbread cookie. Yes, I like that. I like the illustration style of the little kids. I think it's super cute. This book is by Patricia Hegarty, illustrated by Lucy Barnard. I believe I've heard of this illustrator before, so this is a fun book. Here I got something for my son as a little activity leading up to Christmas, a scratch and draw book. So this will be a fun little change of activities. A Christmas prayer. There's some different prayers here in this book. Here's one page. I'll just read it. It says, we thank you, God in heaven, as Christmas time draws near, for all your gifts and blessings at this special time of year. As the Christmas season starts, we thank you, God, with all our hearts. I love this. If you are looking for an Advent resource with very little kids, this would be great if you want to add a different prayer to each day leading. We got this book on the legend of Saint Nicholas. So I wanted to explain to our kids who Saint Nicholas is, and actually part of the Advent resource that we're using this year, we're using the Little Way Advent resource, and one of the days said that you should find a book talking about the real story of Saint Nicholas. And I couldn't find one at the library, honestly. And so it'll be good to have one in our collection. Pages look like, I don't know what the name of this art style is, but you would see them a lot in older churches and cathedrals. I am interested in learning more about St. Nicholas because honestly, I think I have a basic understanding of who he is, but just to learn more about his story would be very interesting for me. This one, Christmas in the Big Woods. So this will be our introduction to Laura Ingalls Wilder, and I am excited about these. I remember these books when I was a kid. I remember seeing these books in the library, and obviously these are some classics that I feel I hear a lot of homeschoolers talking about, and I just really want to read this to our kids and help them get an idea of what life was like back then. So I'm excited about this. I got The Snowy Day. If you saw my previous library haul, I picked up The Snowy Day from the library, and it's such a classic book. I just had to get it for our own collection. It's a paperback version. I said this in my last video. They've made a film adaptation of The Snowy Day on Amazon Prime. So if you have Amazon Prime, you should definitely go check it out. It is so well done. It's about 40 minutes long. It has a star-studded cast. It's narrated by Lawrence Fishburne. Angela Bassett's in it. So is Regina King. And the story that they've made through the film is just so sweet and so charming. They've added more to the story, to more of a richness and a fullness to the storyline, and I think you'll really love it and enjoy it. So if you haven't read this book, definitely pick up this book. And I ordered a lot of these books as gifts. I'm excited. I don't know what it's really like on the inside. I just knew that it was a Nativity Pop Up Book. Yeah, I have a bunch. I have 6 of these Nativity Pop Up books. They were, yeah, I saw them and I just really thought it would be a great idea to give to some of our friends and family this year. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, so it's a pop-up on every page. How fun is that? I used to love pop-up books as a kid. It's just giving the biblical account of Christmas story. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I am thrilled. I'm thrilled. I really want to read it. I'm not going to read it now on camera, but I love it. I love it. I think there might have been a limit to how many I was able to order at a time. But this is just, oh, it's so adorable. I love this. I'm so happy that I got some of these to give away. Miracle in 133rd Street. And it's written by Sonia Manzano and illustrated by Marjorie Priceman. Interestingly, if you also watched my previous library book haul, I referenced the book How to Make an Apple Pie and See the World, and that was illustrated and I believe also written by Marjorie Priceman. And I love that book. Just knowing that she illustrated this book, I'm so excited to have this in part of our collection. Illustrations are looking so fun. I don't really know what it's about. I just knew that it was set in the city, and let's see what the little blurb says. It's Christmas Eve and Jose's mammy is preparing a delicious Christmas roast for the Christmas feast, but it's too big for the oven. And so they're going to bring the roast to the local pizzeria where the ovens are bigger. Okay, interesting. They're trying to get people into the Christmas spirit. Very interesting. I'm super excited to read through this, and I'd love to do an update once I've read all these books. This Jingle Bells book by Osborne. My kids have been liking books where they can press the sounds. I don't usually love the fact, like those sound books. This might be fun because it's Christmas. I got 2 copies of this book. 1 copy of this book is a gift for a friend. And it is The Biggest Little Boy, A Christmas Story, and it's written by CNN anchor Poppy Harlow. I don't know who that is. Illustrated by Ramona Kolitsky. So if you watch CNN, you may know who this anchor is. It says Luca loves big things, big trucks, big buildings, big bowls of pasta. But what he wants most is the biggest Christmas tree of all. He wants to go find a special tree, but he soon finds out what matters is having a big heart. You got this little boy Luca, and he wants to get a big Christmas tree. We see an interracial family here. Interesting. I like seeing that type of diversity in picture books, especially for myself. Like, that is our reality. I'm mixed myself, and my husband is German background, and so we are a mixed family. It's actually nice to see that depicted in picture books, also for my kids to see that there's families like us around and in stories. This is looking like a really fun book, and in my first book outlet haul, I feel like I went a little overboard maybe on the book outlet shopping this time around, but it was my first time and I was just really excited. And also I was able to get some really great gifts for little kids in my life. If you are looking for more book haul videos, I am making more, and you can watch my previous video where I did a library book haul with winter and Christmas books, and you can find that in the cards. Be sure to look in the description box for the links to these books below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.